Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Pakistan's hockey team is all set to begin preparations for the upcoming four-nation invitational hockey tournament in Kazan, Russia. The players will assemble in Islamabad on Saturday, August 15, and report to the Naseer Bunda Hockey Stadium at the Pakistan Sports Complex by 5 p.m. The tournament will take place from August 27 to September 1 in Kazan. Pakistan will use this opportunity to compete against international opposition and strengthen its preparations for future competitions. The Pakistan Hockey Federation has selected a squad of 35 players, including goalkeepers, defenders, midfielders, forwards, and strikers. The players have also been instructed to bring their required documents, passports, photographs, and playing kits for the training camp. This camp will be an important first step as Pakistan gets ready for the Kazan tournament. If you enjoyed this update, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and vote in the poll to share your opinion. Thanks for watching, and stay connected for more Pakistan hockey updates.